Well, good morning, beautiful resonators. I'm so glad you're here today. We have some blue buttons, a pink bird that we made last time. Oh, there's a little tiny piece of glitter that got in there. Shoot. Shoot, shoot. Darn. But anyway, here's the bird. The chunks in here did not melt. So we have a nice pink and white gemmy bird. It is a little uneven on the bottom, so I'm going to ask my husband to sand that off so it's nice and flat on the bottom, and then I'll put some feet on there so it doesn't scratch anyone's dresser. But anyway, there's our bird with a little tiny piece of glitter in it. But that's okay. Today, I want to try a blue button bird. I got nice, big, huge blue buttons. And I'll make a very nice blue bird. I need a cup. I've got some resin. Now I'm going to put the buttons in my resin because I want to push the air out of the little holes that's in there. So just little by little, I'm going to put them in this cup. Sorry about my hand. I'm going to push them down and push them around just to get the air pushed out of them, out of the little buttonholes. You can see big air bubbles coming up. Just going to mix them around. I'm going to put some more in there. I really want some of those ginormous big ones. Here's one. Some of them have little symbols on them and stuff. I just got these little buttons on Amazon, I believe. Easy breezy. I'm always looking for stuff to put in resin. And I just love buttons. I'm seeing a button. See, this one's got all kinds of air in it. This will make your resin just full of air. So we're going to go slow, take a few minutes. Okay, this is about all I'm going to be able to fit in here. Then I'll start scooping them out and putting them in the bird. Gosh, that's a lot of air. These bubbles, these buttons really hold a lot of air. And work themselves out. All right. I'm going to pour these buttons out into the mold. Just little chunk by little chunk. And making sure some of the buttons go in the tail. This is a really nice little resin mold. I really like how it turned out. And the shape of it. I like the eyes of the bird. I'm just pushing some of these buttons into the tail. And letting them settle in there. And giving a chance for the air to come up. I'm going to be spraying this one a lot with alcohol. I'm going to be checking on it a lot today because it's just so full of air. Okay, I'm going to get the rest of these buttons in there. Okay, it's a little over full. But I'll have a nice smooth bottom on this one, that's for sure. Because all the buttons are doing a nice job of going to the bottom of the mold, which is the top of the bird. Okay. He's a little over full, but I'll trim him out. A little alcohol. All right, my loves. That is about, it's a short and sweet one today. I'm getting into something more complicated for next time. So have a great day and know that I love you and know that you are never alone. Bye-bye now.